Now we will show you how to clean the unit with e-cleaner. E-cleaning is to remove the calcium stuck to the inside of the unit. Repeat this procedure once every 1 to 2 weeks. E-cleaning takes about 3 hours. Prepare the displayed items. Turn off the faucet and shut down the unit beforehand. Begin cleaning. The remaining process time will be displayed on the screen. Please do not touch the unit and wait until cleaning is finished. When the remaining process time becomes 0, e-cleaning is finished.
Cleaning has finished.
Remove the cap from the secondary pipe and then touch the OK button. Remove the cleaning cartridge from the filter tray in the main unit and reinstall the previous water filter. Remove the cleaning tank from the lower right of the main unit and reinstall the previous tank and the tank cover. Finally, turn on the faucet and run the water to rinse the machine. Wait until the remaining time counter on the touch panel shows 0. Turn off the faucet after e-cleaning is finished. When the rinsing is completed, the unit will return to the home screen automatically.